I beat the game of YT, beat the game of YouTube. Today we are gonna be playing some more
Minecraft. Beat the game of YouTube.
With YouTube games.
It's been a long day.
Yeah, been a
long time. We didn't play Minecraft for a long time. But I just downloaded the map right now. I didn't build this, but we're gonna build like a YouTube world. But I don't know when it's gonna be. But it's volcano run.
Yeah, volcano
run. Just like button right now and on his video. His video will be in the link down below.
Yep. And his video gonna be the link down below too. So just to let you know, we had a new update.
Let's get it.
This is the new update of mine. This is the new update. This is if you join Xbox Live, you can join servers like this.
Not join.
This is your friends and stuff.
Volcano run.
Like this and
how much you want? He's gonna get off my drink. Let me get some.
No! Dang! Yo, you mean?
What?
You drunk orange juice is not working.
That's mine.
Oh. It's not working. I know what to do.
Get off.
Get off.
Guys, this is the volcano run, guys.
Go back on Minecraft. And
so, big shout out to Lion Destroyer. I made a live stream. He the one who came to my live stream. So, you know we don't die in survival. This is a new update. We can't die. We can't die.
Because you didn't start it yet.
My boy, this is the new update.
No, it's not.
The crap? What?
Oh.
What is this?
Poison. It's teleporting it. Alright, I'm about to join him. Cancel. I'm about to join him.
Yo, what? Oh, shoot.
Oh.
Bro, just stop this.
How you stop it?
I don't know. Oh,
there you go. It's not working. Hold up. I cannot
disrupt the game. Just wait like that.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, where the map's at? Oh, shoot, that wasn't me. Oh, shoot,
I think it's working. Yeah, it's me.
It's done.
Alright, there you go.
So let's come over here. The sky. I don't know that is fried chicken. What is this?
Alright, what's this? Do we got like fried chicken or something? Like,
let's go out. I think this that.
I'm doing parkour.
Oh, shoot, right here. Click to what do? Oh no.
Where you at? I think I do parkour. I'm doing parkour. I don't know about you. Yeah, you gotta do parkour and make it up here. You gotta make it up here.
Oh, why is all this coming?
You click something. Don't come near me. How we do this?
That's you. I think you turned something on.
No, it's you. Remember you click that button? Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, I got turn that button off then.
Yeah, turn that button off. Do we can? Ooh, I just found a secret.
Yeah, how you think?
I found a secret.
Oh, click to play.
Thank you. Oh, we can't fall in lava. Oh!
You don't die. You can't die.
What the freak? Oh,
you can't die. That's cool, right? You can't die.
What?
You can't die.
Then we're gonna have to, I don't know. Why we can't die?
That's a new update. I don't know why we can't die. Just follow me. We're gonna try to dig under the ground, okay?
See what? Alright, let's dig.
Then we're gonna make a cave house.
Yeah, the cave.
See, guys, we just do it extra.
You can't dig. What? This not working? Why we can't die? That's messed up. I mean, that's stupid.
I'm flying.
Whoever made this new. Fix it. How you flying? Come on, Craig.
We're gonna just explore this then.
Okay, alright. Alright, round 2. I'm doing round 2. Oh. Gotta keep on running.
Shoot. Oh,
Round two. Round two. Oh, jumping over these blocks. Oh, round two. Oh,
shoot.
I didn't die yet. Oh,
Hey, I forgot we was recording.
oh, I didn't. Oh, dang it. Look at this.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, this poop over.
Should never pick this. You need to.
You know who told me to? I said volcano world. You said yeah. I'm out.
I said, alright, sure. Let's just break all these blocks.
Let's just build this thing up. I like blowing stuff up. Man, I don't like it no more. We just
Blow it up.
okay. We can't get no TNTs.
We can't.
I think they blocked it.
Yeah, they did. They blocked it. Wait.
Yo. We can't break that in here. Yeah, guys, that was today's video.
That's an epic fail.
Yeah, failed.
We gonna make another video.
But we gonna be exploring like a mansion. We gonna be exploring.
Yeah.
We not gonna do no more.
Stay tuned.
We not gonna do no more survival videos because I don't know why we can't die no more. We gonna be exploring places, exploring hunting places with the Slender Man Forest. If y'all want to do the Slender Man Forest, 2 likes on this video. That's all we need. That's all we need. 2 likes, just 2 likes. So peace out, guys.
Hold on. Make sure to check out his other video. He did Bloody Mary.
Oh, don't even say nothing about that.
And actually, he was gonna end it. And he started hearing like noises around his house. And that's scary. Why would you even do that?
Epic fail.
Alright. Peace out, guys. Peace.